It's not a good idea to travel when your H1B is pending, but since you said it's an emergency, you might want to document the unemployment or your leave of absence with your employer, since you're going to be entering back on an F1 visa, since your H1B is still pending. And once you come back, you need to check with your employer or the attorney to see if your H1B will continue to process the way it is, or it might require an amendment because you have traveled out of the country while this is pending. I'm assuming it was requested for a change of status, but once you are out of the country, there might be some issues if the I-94 gets updated with your F1. But after you come back, it gets approved based on last action rule, the H1B will automatically take over. I hope this answer helps. Thank you.